You can do it, buddy. Come on. It's probably hard. He's in the crack right now, isn't he? Oh, he's not? Oh, he's in the middle. You can do it. Come here, Hudson. There you go. He's grabbing it to pull over. That's okay. You're resourceful. Use any means necessary. What? What? Come on. We got NFL music going on in the background. Oh, you're tired. It's nap time, say. Come on. You almost had it. Hey, buddy. Come over here. Come over here to us. Oh, come on. You can do it, Reed. Come on, Reed. Come on, buddy. Hudson, come on, buddy. You're looking at your puppy dog. Come on, Reed. You can do it. Oh, so close. So close. Say, why don't you have me do this when I wake up from my nap? Oh, pull. Almost. Almost. Get that arm. Oh, I know. Come on. Come on. You can do it, buddy. You can do it. Yay, Reed. Yay, Reed. Superman. Superman. I know you did it. Can you get your arms out? Hudson Goose. Hudson. You just want to be part of it, Hudson. Way to go, Reed. We love you. We caught this on video the day after Mommy's birthday, and he started doing it on September 20th. We're proud of you, buddy.
We love you.
We can go take a nap now. Love you.